Welcome to the top best. The best Hoya B39PLGB is probably one of the most sought-after circular polarizing filters for photographers and videographers alike, offering unparalleled control over reflections and enhancing color saturation, making it an indispensable tool for capturing stunning visuals in any lighting condition, from bright sunny days to challenging indoor environments, ensuring your footage always looks its absolute best. Number 5. Miracle-Gro Indoor Potting Mix 6QT. Give your indoor plants the best start with our specially formulated potting mix. It provides essential nutrients to keep them thriving. Enjoy up to 6 months of continuous feeding with this mix. It's designed to support healthy growth without frequent fertilizing. Tired of fungus gnats? Our unique blend contains no compost or bark, significantly reducing the chances of these pests making a home in your soil. Featuring coconut coir, this mix excels at retaining and releasing water. It ensures your plants get the hydration they need and helps the soil re-wet easily. Perfect for a wide range of indoor plants, including those with climbing vines, lush foliage, vibrant flowers, and tropical leaves. It's the ideal soil for any container. Simply fill your container about 1/3 full, place your plant, and add more mix around the root ball. It's a straightforward way to ensure proper planting. One 6-quart bag is enough to fill approximately 4 6-inch containers. Get great results and plenty of mix from multiple plants. What we like. This potting mix is designed to feed your plants for an extended period, reducing the need for frequent fertilization. It's also formulated to minimize common indoor plant pests like gnats. If you're looking for a low-maintenance option that keeps your plants nourished and healthy, this is a great choice. What people say. This filter is great for cutting down on reflections and glare. The colors are vibrant and true to life with this filter. It's also very durable and has held up well to frequent use. Number 4. XXXFLOWER Plant Terrarium with Wooden Stand 3-Bulb Vase. Elevate your space with this unique decorative piece. Its natural wood and clear glass design brings a touch of freshness and elegance to any room. This is the perfect gift for anyone who loves plants. It's ideal for showcasing cuttings, rooted plants, or even small hydroponic arrangements. Create a stunning visual display by adding colored water, pebbles, or your favorite plants. It's designed to be a beautiful and eye-catching addition to your decor. Add a touch of retro charm to your home or office. It's perfectly sized for desks, tables, or windowsills, bringing life to any corner. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This makes an excellent present for holidays, birthdays, or any special occasion for the plant enthusiast in your life. Setting it up is a breeze with the included accessories. You can quickly create your own unique hydroponic display and enjoy watching your plants thrive. What we like. This planter offers a unique blend of natural wood and durable glass, perfect for displaying cuttings or small plants. Its retro aesthetic makes it a stylish addition to any desk or shelf. If you appreciate vintage-inspired decor and want a charming way to showcase your greenery, this is the ideal pick. What people say. The Hoya B39PLGB is a circular polarizing filter that effectively reduces reflections and enhances color saturation. It features a multi-coated glass that minimizes lens flare and ghosting, ensuring clear and sharp images. The filter ring is slim and lightweight, making it easy to attach and detach without adding significant bulk to the lens. Number 3. Costa Farms Aloe Vera Live Plant. Bring a touch of nature indoors with this stunning aloe vera plant. It's designed to thrive with minimal care, making it perfect for any space. Not only does it look great, but it also helps purify the air in your home or office. Enjoy a fresher, cleaner environment effortlessly. Presented in a decorative pot, this succulent adds a touch of modern elegance to any room. It complements any decor style beautifully. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This plant is an ideal choice for housewarmings, birthdays, or just because. It's a gift that keeps on giving. Standing at 12 to 18 inches tall, it arrives ready to enhance your living space. Simply place it in a sunny spot and watch it grow. Enjoy the benefits of a live plant without the hassle. This easy-to-care-for succulent is perfect for busy individuals or beginner plant parents. What we like. This live plant is known for its resilience and minimal care requirements, making it perfect for beginners or busy individuals. It also contributes to better indoor air quality. If you want a beautiful, low-effort plant that enhances your living space and purifies the air, this is an excellent option. What people say. Beautiful, healthy plant arrived wonderfully packaged. The plant has been growing healthy. I changed the pot to a bigger one due to growing too big for the pot. I transplanted this plant 2 years ago and it has turned out healthy and pretty. Number 2. AeroGarden Assorted Italian Herb Seed Pod Kit. We stand behind the quality of our seeded pods. If a seed doesn't germinate within 3 weeks, we'll send you a replacement, no questions asked. Enjoy fresh, homegrown herbs for your cooking. Our seeds are non-GMO and grown without herbicides or pesticides, ensuring pure flavor. This kit comes complete with everything required to start growing. You'll find specially formulated liquid nutrients and a helpful growing guide. Cultivate a variety of popular Italian herbs. This kit includes 6 pre-seeded pods: Genovese basil, Italian parsley, oregano, savory, thyme, and mint. Designed to work seamlessly with any AeroGarden model. You can start growing your favorite herbs right away, regardless of your current setup. What we like. This kit provides a variety of popular Italian herbs, perfect for adding fresh flavor to your cooking. The seeds are non-GMO and come with everything you need to get started, including nutrients. If you're a home cook who loves fresh herbs and wants an easy way to grow them indoors, this is a must-have. What people say. The Hoya B39PLGB is a circular polarizing filter that effectively reduces reflections and enhances color saturation, particularly in landscape photography. Its multi-coated glass minimizes flare and ghosting, ensuring sharp and clear images even in challenging lighting conditions. The filter's slim design prevents vignetting on wide-angle lenses, making it a versatile accessory for various camera setups. Number 1. Costa Farms Live Indoor House Plants, 3-pack. Treat mom to a curated bundle of 3 beautiful live houseplants. They are perfect for decorating multiple spaces and arrive nursery direct, ready to add life to her home or office. This pack of 3 assorted indoor houseplants are an effortless way to start your collection. These low-maintenance varieties are easy to grow and require minimal attention, making them a perfect match for new plant parents. Group these gorgeous varieties together for an instant mood-boosting display. They support your well-being and bring life to any room. This living and thoughtful present is ideal for birthdays, housewarmings, holidays, or just because. Brighten a loved one's day with a beautiful indoor plant. Your collection of healthy, vibrant live indoor plants arrives secured in specialized packaging right to your home, fresh from our farm. We pack each plant with care, but freezing temperatures can still cause stress. Please check your forecast and bring them indoors right after delivery. What we like. This pack offers a curated selection of 3 easy-care houseplants, ideal for beginners or for decorating multiple areas. They are adaptable to low-light conditions, making them versatile for various indoor spaces. If you're looking to effortlessly bring life and a calming atmosphere to your home or office with minimal fuss, this assortment is perfect for you. What people say. The plants arrived well packaged, healthy, and looking vibrant. Each plant was in good condition with moist soil and no signs of stress or pests. They're genuinely easy to maintain, most only need watering every 1 to 2 weeks, tolerate lower light conditions common in homes and offices, and are forgiving if you forget a watering here and there. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.